saying goes, ask and you shall receive. This statement is not just a cute phrase, it is a powerful truth. When we ask for something, we are putting it out into the universe. We are telling the universe and the people around us what we want and what we need. But it's important to remember that asking is not just about getting what we want. It's about being open to the opportunities that come our way. Sometimes the universe will give us exactly what we asked for, but sometimes it will give us something even better. The power of asking is often overlooked, but it is one of the most powerful tools that we have at our disposal. The simple act of asking can open doors and create opportunities that we never thought possible. So I want to encourage you to start asking. Ask for the promotion, ask for the raise, ask for the help, ask for the opportunity. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there, because you never know what can happen when you take that first step. And remember, when you ask, be sure to be open and receptive to the answers that come your way, because they might just be the answers you never knew you needed. So start asking today and watch the opportunities unfold.